Hello. Hopefully the sound quality should be a bit better now. I've actually tried to remember how to do this for all the webcamming thing. We mentioned hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism. Kallmann syndrome is a form of hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism, which is far too difficult to say all the time, so we just call it HH. Now, the gonadotropins are released from the pituitary gland in the brain, and they normally are luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, normally called LH and FSH. Now, the pituitary gland releases lots of different hormones. It controls lots of different parts of the body, but in Kallmann syndrome and HH, it is just these two hormones that are affected. All the other parts of the pituitary gland work perfectly well, and it's really a very specific disorder just affecting these two hormones, LH and FSH. Without these two hormones, the testes and the ovaries are unable to function correctly. The testes aren't able to produce sperm or produce testosterone, and the ovaries aren't able to mature eggs or to release estrogen and progesterone. Normally ovaries have all the eggs already, it's just the LH and FSH, well, it's really just the FSH causes the eggs to mature and be released. Men produce sperm normally all the time. Now, the LH causes testosterone to be released, and it causes estrogen and progesterone to be released by the ovaries, and FSH causes sperm to be produced by the testes and for the eggs to mature and be released from the ovaries. In Kallmann syndrome, the gonadotropins are too low or non-existent, so there's no signal for the testes or the ovaries to function correctly. So when puberty is due, there's normally a big rise in the level of gonadotropins, which should cause the ovaries and testes to work and then flood the system with either testosterone or estrogen and cause all the secondary sex characteristics that normally happen at puberty. So in Kallmann syndrome, this doesn't happen, and most of the secondary sex characteristics do not occur.